Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. So basically this is the AWS Zero to Master series and we are focusing on the cloud and AWS cloud services. So in a few previous sessions we have been discussed more about the AWS application load balancer. Along with that we have been discussed about the target groups and listeners and security group level. So followed by in the today's session we're gonna discuss about that another concept, how we can add that existing instance into the target group. So let us start. So basically, just to quickly recall that session, what we did in that earlier. So we have been created that application load balancer, and there are we have created two EC2 instance in a target group, and we have been created a listener rule in that application load balancer level with the AT port. Basically, if the user trying to connect with the AT port, it will be forward the traffic based on the listener rule. Then we have been configured some kind of rule on that both EC2 instance security group and the ALB security group. On the EC2 level, we are just added the rule only the traffic coming from that application load balancer, and the ALB level we can add it that specify network or that all network also depends on the situation. And in today's session, as I mentioned, if we have any kind of like sorry I forgot. So after that the restriction we have been remove that elastic IP, and the we have been isolated that EC2 instance in that environment. So now our entire instance is that very restricted way. So in today's session, like what we are going to do, if we have any kind of like EC2 instance, how we can add that into that existing target group. For example, if we have a set of EC2 instance that has been running on that under the target group, in case like you are facing some kind of huge traffic on that application level, like you need to be deploy that instance and need to be added in that target group so that that will be split up the traffic. So to do that, we need to be create a instance. So what we can do, we can attach the instance into the target group. So basically, once we added that instance in the target group, the load balancer will be considered all three that backend resources. It will be split up the traffic based on that request. So let us quickly open that console. We will get it more idea once we started to create. So I'm just opening the console. So the entire environment, I'm just to continue with that first demo. So if you need to be aware of that the load balancer and target group, you can just switch into my previous video. You should be get more idea on that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to launch the another instance. So in the today's session, we are focusing on the ALB. So I'm not going to be focused that that EC2 instance. I have been uploaded that video in a earlier session. You can just check it on that. For new. So the remaining that Amazon Web Services and T2 Micro. So here the keeper I'm just using that Ubuntu. So here what I'm just going to do, I'm going to be the security group of the existing EC2 security group. So this is the one I'm just using. And apart from that, storage, I'm not going to add anything. And coming to that user data, I'm just going to be add some kind of launching process data into that. So that will be bootstrap our launch process. So I'm just pasting that content. Yeah. So just launch. So this user data section also I have been uploaded in the previous session. You can just check it out those video. So now you can see I have that another instance running on that it has been started. So we will see it. Just wait for some seconds to up and running. Then we will see it. Basically, yeah, now it's up and running. So basically, what we are going to do here, some of the web servers are running. So we are going to add that this new server into that existing target group to distribute the traffic to that multiple traffic. So basically, to do that, either like we can go with the target group level, otherwise we can go with the load balancer level also. I'm just going with the target group to add that. So to add that backend resources, just to open the target group. So if you are not aware of that, which is the one in a backend, you can just go to the load balancer. Here, if you can open up that load balancer, you can see that target group name, which is the one connector. Just to open that. So basically, like one sec. Yeah. So here you can see there are two target is there. I'm just going to be add another target. So basically, if I can refresh, just now now I can get that only response from the two mission 24 and the 237. The two mission only I can the traffic has been distributed. So now click on the add listener. Sorry, not add listener. Click on the like the row. Sorry, target group level. I forgot to like the. You can see here we are like on the target group level we have a two instance. Just to click on the register target. So here you can see there are like three missions are running. Like already two missions are up and running under that this target group. I'm just going to be add this new one, that web server new. So just click on that and the port you can just validate and include as the pending below. So now we can see it has been added right now. Just click on the register pending targets. What will happen automatically, like it will be register the target in a backend process. So once it will be registered, when you are trying to access that application load balancer using the endpoint, it will be produce that traffic based on the entire. Okay, now you can see like all three has been updated. So just to refresh this page, first I'm getting the IP of the 24. So go to that instance, we'll see it on that what is the one producing. So this is the one. We need to be check it. Yeah, this is the one 237. I think so. Not a 237. Okay, 226. This is the 226. This is the 237. This is the 24. Yeah, we are getting that mission response first response from this mission. And the second, I'm just going to be refresh. Now I'm just getting the 237. So 237 is that another one. This is the one. So if I'm just refreshing again, we are getting 226, 18.226. This is the one we have been added just now. Yeah, you can see. So this is the way we can just like add that if we have any existing EC2 instance, we can add it under the target group so that we can like so that we can achieve our like traffic distribution using that elastic load balancer, application load balancer. So right now, as per the diagram, we have been added the EC2 instance, that network traffic also distributed across the EC2 instance. So thanks for watching my channel. And if you are like enjoying my videos, just to do subscribe my channel and like my video so that it will be encourage me to do more videos. So once again, thanks for watching my channel and we'll see you in the next session.